Gusto mo kita dito.
Internet bro, internet.
Ang inong yun. Nandito ka.
Kasi ka na even. That's good thing then. Kasi what I can
Yeah.
say is my BTS close by.
Yeah, malitis sa
Oh
loob.
shit. Pero anyway dyan, di mo na ako maklaro po. Tapos
Inom
superstar
ka
siya
mo
ngayon.
tubig burn. Ano, inatake na si Tai.
Gagya
BTS.
ka lang.
Deserve.
Guys, alam ko. Gutom tayo, diba? Gutom tayo lahat.
Yeah.
Yes.
Punta tayo sa green flag.
Oo, ano? Yeah.
Where saan kasing green flag? Okay. Tara, 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 tara.
Food there eh.
Yes, kasi yung problema lang sa green flag.
May ano, camp.
Madaming cannibals. May
Yeah.
camp doon. Ba't kasi may camp doon?
Iskal ba yung ulo ko? Ay,
Ha? No?
iskal ba yung ulo ko?
No, hindi.
Sana all may armor pa?
Wala.
Naubos na armor ko?
Wala armor ni, ano, Eddie. Mas calm.
Dami kong armor. I need cloth.
Gusto mo ng cloth, Eric? Madami dun sa cannibal base.
Yes. Wait.
Yes, wait. The realization.
Wait lang, Gagi. Nag-alt
Dito,
tab ako.
may cloth na.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Ito na pala.
Ang dami ng cloth. Diba? Diba tayo? Madami ng cloth.
Madami.
Kaso, I don't like where we are.
Oh yeah, there's
Madami
no.
cloth, pero madami din cannibal.
Ayun na nga ayaw ko dito.
Puta, FPS drop. What the fuck?
Shit, ako lang ba? Nag-log ako. What? Lumipad ako.
Fuck?
What the fuck?
What the hell?
Guys, kita niyo yun? Lumipad ako?
I recorded it, yes.
What the fuck? What?
Oh yeah, how do
Gago,
how do we
guys.
go up? How do we go
Guys,
up?
I'm down, guys.
Lumipad ka din?
Eh, kumain na naman ako ng poison berries.
What the hell?
Ba't kasi? Tay, ikaw na bahala dyan, Tay.
Wala. I'm not just your healer.
Gago.
Guys, tabang, halp, tabang! Ayoko na! Ewan.
Diyan ka.
Oh. Oh
Gago.
shit. Oh my god.
Last na lang yung
Knock
isa.
Come here. Fuck. Yeah. Fuck smash. Die.
Tayo bitch ass bitch.
Guys, madami pa dun!
Hindi.
Gago, tara, alis na tayo.
Alis na tayo.
Bro, are you seeing?
Ako na lang, kitapin na lang natin tong ano.
Guys, tara. Back
Saan
base.
ba? Saan ba? I don't see them.
Sa gitna. Tatlo sila, Tay. Let's go back to base.
You sure tao
Tara, let's
yan?
go.
Yes. Mogo ka. Tara.
I need more clothes.
Tao yan?
Yes. I saw someone move.
Okay ka lang, Prince.
Hindi, I saw someone move dito.
You sure ka?
Yeah. Sino may
my
medkit
God,
dyan
oh my
sa
God,
inyo?
Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah.
What did I say?
Okay,
What did I say,
okay,
huh?
I believe you
What
now.
did I say? Nah, I am not high.
Wait, saan yung bottom?
There should be a couple there.
Ayan. I'm thinking that beach would be okay.
Ano? The bitch?
Beach.
You taking the bitch?
Yes, I'm taking the beach.
Go!
Nice naman sige.
Patay na siya? Patay na. Meron pa dito. I'm targeting her head. Baka extra damage yan.
Yes, o
I mean-
parang ano.
No G.
Oh, extra damage kahit sa... The fuck?
Kapag no G, then yeah.
Now that it's hard mode, logic works.
Yeah. 3 smashing onto you and you die. Yes. Guys, katong
think-
BTS.
Saan?
Oh, fuck.
Dito.
Sarado mo. Sarado mo.
May flashlight.
Isa may flashlight. Okay. I'll try saving now just in case any of us dies.
Uy, ba't ka napasok?
Guys, save na rin kayo just in case mamatay kayo.
Save mo na tayo.
Just in case para I can restart the server if we die.
Yes, mashallah, brother.
Things they get see us lang. We can close the door muna.
No,
They
Gusto
see
mo
us
na yung
now.
door?
They see us now. They see us now.
they know we're here. Because we're all in base.
Did he just run away? Nah, he's coming back.
No, they're going sa opening natin.
Hallelujah. He's inside.
There's 6 of them! There's 6 of them! Eric!
No?
Eric! Punta ka na dito.
What
Sila,
the?
Eric. 6 sila. Na-miss ko man dati, tatlo lang, early game. Ba't ngayon 6 na sila? 2 died. You have to get this.
Gago.
Kalaban ko pa tong may flashlight.
Mental.
Nagago!
Nag-dodge man to?
Nag-crash yung sa akin.
Nag-crash game mo?
Guys,
Oh.
I'm down.
I'm down.
Guys, nag-restart ang
Restart?
aking
Restart.
crash pala.
I just, exit to main menu, diba?
Yeah, exit lang.
Yes.
Oh, diba? Good thing I told you guys to save.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, there's 6.
Diba question? Yo, what the fuck?
Okay, what the fuck?
Tangina. Ba't sila masakit ang puta?
Ay, ang sakit eh. Grabe nga yun.
Like,
Kailangan na natin i-build lahat.
Hey, morning.
Tara, double time.
Sa
Ha?
double time.
It's morning now.
Oh, nice.
Oh, it's night time.
It's not.
Scammer yung The Forest.
Tayo nakalimutan. Baka nakalimutan nyo. In-adjust natin yung brightness ng game. Guys, double time. Let's go.
Tara.
Double time. Para at least, okay, walls natin. Ayoko na sila makalaban. Pagod na ako.
Putang ina, tara na!
Are you recording right now, Tay?
The Forest naman pala.
Ay. Cut mo yung
ang taas.
pag-restart natin.
Ang taas siguro ng storage nito. Grabe.
I have 1 terabyte.
What the fuck?
I bought
Yeah.
1 terabyte. Sorry.
Is this
I
true?
told Ivan to buy for me, then I'll pay him lang.
Ito lang masasabi ko sa'yo, kuya.
Sana all.
Ina mo!
Lang yung ano ko. Bumalik na sa dati.
Oh my god, I hate drugs, oh my god.
Meron?
Bakit?
I just saw them now, they didn't see me.
Alis ka muna dyan, dito ka muna.
That's why I'm running.
Guys! Nigga! Let's go, guys! Tara na! Nandiyan na
Oh
yung
my
mga
God, I see them.
kaibigan.
End storage.
No, don't eat it!
I'll eat
That's
it.
my food! Oh, you fucking bitch. So, sino kumuha ng ano dito, Bones? Guys? Guys, sino kumuha ng Bones?
Hihihaha. Hihihaha.
Ina mo.
Kago!
Ako guys, wait lang, kalma. Gutom pa
Ina
ako.
mo! Let's go! Let's go, mga niggas!
Uy, merong kalaban guys sa base natin.
Yeah, I hear them.
Temba! Gago!
Yes, hi, tara na.
I'm kidding.
Wala kami dyan.
Drop ko lang ito dito.
Uy.
Pasasis ko.
May dalawa.
Dalawa sila.
Wala kami dyan.
Babalik na ako.
Fight me. Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
Ayan.
Dodge.
Oh! Superhero yata to, isa na to.
Superhero.
Kita mo yun, pang superhero entrance?
Superhero landing.
Oh my goodness.
Kanino spear? Oh,
Eric.
spear to? Yeah, this is spear. Eric, sa'yo yan.
Nope.
They can if spear. I have mine here.
Stick pala sa'yo, tangina. Joke lang.
Mali mo!
Mali.
Hindi mo. Oh, di ba? Nakakapot natin na tayo yung hindi pa.
It's almost night, guys. Last card na lang dito.
Pinagmukha mo kung di mo kasi natin na may tudan na sa'yo.
Tuta!
Ako!
We'll put my small openings for those like happy birthday traps.
Happy birthday, James.
Yan man tawag sa game.
Anyway,
Yeah, I'm not joking. It's happy birthday trap. Guys, don't mind the bottom of the screen on how much wood we need.
I already saw that before you said it. Tangina, like, oh shit, 200.
I mean, it's for our safety.
Safety.
Grabe, lakas ng hangin ah.
Bong mutot.
I like how Eric closed the door and then I'm outside lang.
Yes.
They're just walking. May tutok na si Anton.
Kaya pala ayaw niya mag... Uy, gago!
Tangina, gago, ba't mo pinuksan?
In-open ko kasi nasa labas si Tay. Tapos pag open ko, may gusto mag-hello sa atin.
Atarantado!
Hey, captain, the captain's here.
Mas ka na muna dyan.
Ano yun ka? Down.
Walang pipigil sa akin, Ton. Dawa ka.
Pinaktan mo ako.
Wala akong ginawa sa'yo.
Tumakbo yun isa.
Full na ba? Yung ano to? Armor mo?
Oy,
Yes.
where are you back?
Ano nilalaro niyo?
The forest.
This dude's
Yan
back.
na naman.
Guys, this dude is back.
Wag dito.
Inulit mo?
Harder mode lang. Harder mode.
Ha?
Hard mode.
The hardest game mode. The hardest game mode.
May mode siya?
Yes.
Yes.
It's like Minecraft hardcore.
Ouch.
Where lahat sila mas masakit.
Performance na treasure.
Uy, kangkong guys and
entre.
dead.
Ha?
Guys and dead.
Entre.
Tangina boy, na-raid tayo.
I feel like armor talaga kailangan natin para hindi tayo ma-down. Ayun lang. One armor, goodbye.
Nag-armor kayo dyan? Mino armor?
Don, join ka dito. What if join ka dito? Para mag-get photo ka dito.
Uy, putang ina.
What if lang naman?
Alam mo ba, Prince?
Ano man?
Nabubuisit ako sa mga playlist mo.
Bakit?
Bakit?
Tamang-tama?
Especially yun, sinan mo sa akin yun. Triniger mo yung iyak ko.
Trigger.
Yun! Gusto kita sakalin, Prince. Gusto kita ikuga lahat-lahat. Promise.
I'll use my main gun later. I have to grind up.
There's someone running. Hello,
So,
What was me running? Oh, there's one sa'yo.
guys, may Romero na naman. Putang ina. Sarado ko tong
Eric?
base food. Visit yan. Sarado. Yan o. Tingin nila o.
Hindi na nag-echo start. Pero hindi na nag-echo. Nag-echo kanina. Saan ruler ko? Kaya gawin yung GFA ko, nawawala yung ruler. Punitang yan. Ang sama.
Ala, sinira niya! Lahat ng armor ko.
Lakas naman.
Ako ba naman pagtulungan?
Eric, kunin ko mga... Eric ha?
Ha?
Kunin ko mga bones pang armor.
Hindi ako,
Lahat
nag-start
ng
na
armor.
ako.
If mag-restart ako, mawala kayo.
Oh, buti na lang hindi ako yung host.
Grabe. Guys, alcohol can heal you.
You want?
Drink alcohol.